Yes, like that. So G comes first, and please see what you're playing, okay? So G.
G, F, G, F, E, D, F.
Start again. One more time, please. G, F.
G, G, F, E, D,
Mm-hmm.
E, F, G,
Mm-hmm. Continue. G.
G, F,
Mm-hmm. Keep going. E. Keep going.
D, E.
No, no. Start again and keep your eye on the notes, okay? You're doing a great job. One more time from G. Start again, okay? Go faster. I know you can do it.
G, F,
Go
E,
faster. Start again,
D,
please. Okay? And
G,
go faster.
F, E, D, E, 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 F, G,
Good. And then
F.
Nathan, carve it. Can you curve your fingers? Let them stay on the keyboard, okay? Yes. Now the third measure, G, F. Mm-hmm. Third
E,
measure, G. Third measure again, okay? Start again, third measure. So G.
G, F, E,
Mm-hmm. Keep going. E
D,
and then
C.
count the C. How many count does it have? How many counts does the C have?
Um,
It's a whole note. For how many counts for the C?
4.
Good. Start again, but go faster now, okay? You did a good job. That was good. One more time, faster.
G, F, E, D, E, F, G,
Good.
G.
No, you didn't wait for the G. That's 2 counts. Start again, okay? One more time.
G, F, E, D, E, F, G, 2, G, F, E, D, C, 2, 3.
Yes, yes, you got it. That's it. That's it.
G, wait, no.
F.
G.
No, from F. That's the first space. F-A-C-E, okay? So F, okay?
Okay.
F. Again, fourth finger F. One more time, F.
F,
Mm-hmm. What before F? Tell me. It's coming down from F. You come down to what?
A,
No, what before F? Before F.
E,
Good. So play F and go to E. Mm-hmm. F.
E,
No, play F first so you can get the connection, okay?
F, E, C, C.
No. One more time. You're doing good. F, E, and
F, E,
then keep coming down to what? Mm-hmm.
E.
And then goes back up to what? What is on it? It's back to the first line. The first line called.
No, the first line.
Mm-hmm. And then it goes back up to the first space. Look at it. What's it called? Tell me.
F,
Beautiful. Now do it again, okay, from the third measure, okay?
F, E, D, E,
Huh?
F.
That's right. You just need to say it again. Tell me why it's called F. One more time.
Because the word is face.
F-A-C-E. Good job. So F is the first space. Awesome job. Are you sure it's on the first line? What's it? Well, Nathan, look at the second measure, okay? Hello?
Hello, Auntie.
Look at the second measure. Point to where we are. Show I'm Nathan, Jaden, please. Point to it for us, Jaden, please. Show your brother where we are. Hello, Jaden. Please show your brother where we are, okay?
Okay.
Jaden,
Yes, Auntie.
please show your brother where we are, okay?
Okay. Over here. But it's me playing.
Yeah, what's the first space called? That one, what's it called?
F.
Okay. So how do you know it's F? Tell me.
Because the spaces are face and F is the first one.
That's right.
3, 2, 3, 4.
Tell me what happened. The more you played, the more you went faster, the faster, the more speed you applied, and the more you understood it. That's all. So if you want to get something right, play it over and over again. That's the secret. Okay. Good. And what's next?
E.
Good. That's the first line E, and then what's before E?
D.
Keep going. Head measure. You know that note. What's it called? C. Good. Keep going. After the two C's, what is going up to what? What's after C? Say it, please. Good. Now the last measure is what? So the first line called? Every good boy. So the first line called? Say it, please. E. You said you did it right. E.
F.
And then? And then? No, that one's second line. From E, go to F, and from F, you go to where?
G.
That's it. Now do the whole thing again one more time. Good job. One more time.
G. 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 G.
Coming down to no. G. F.
G. C. D. E.
No, there's two D's. Play the two D's. You missed the two D's. Come on, you're doing it.
G. F. E. I mean G. Wait, no.
E. D. Can you help him, Nathan? Because you know it now. So the second measure again, right? Second measure. You're doing good.
G.
So from G, second measure is G. Very good. G.
E. F. A. B. C. C. D.
No. C. C. What's next? It's next to C. It's not on the first line. It's right after C. What's that called, Nathan?
D.
Yes. You see, the boy got it in him. After C, go to D's now. Let's go to D's now. D.
D. C. D. D. E. F. G. 2, 3.
Yes. Yes. Okay, one more time from C. From C. Oh my God, Nathan. You see, after all that, you see, I didn't help you. Look at you. You see, let me tell you, it's okay. You did a great job. Okay? It's very good. Don't be stuck. Don't be stuck. One more time from G again. G, G.
G, 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 E, F, E, D, C, D, E, F.
No. After C, D, E, what's next? It didn't go up to F. It came right down before a certain note. From the third measure again, okay? That's good. C, D.
C, D, E.
What before E?
D, C, 2, 3, 4.
Yes. Good job. And then 5. Beautiful. Beautiful job, okay? We are gonna put a song into it. What song do you want to sing? Tell me. One a very simple song like do you know Jesus loves me this oh no that's too long. Um I love you with the love of the Lord. Who knows that song?
Nobody.
Nobody. Okay, what about this song? Yes, Jesus loves me.
Yes, Auntie, we know. Yes, we know.
Okay, so now let's put your hands on C and I'll show you, okay? Both fingers, the C chord. If it's to play C, let me see. Yes, Jesus loves me. Or yes, can you sing the high or sing the low? Who can do the high one?
Nathan.
Try, let's see. Yes, Jesus loves me. Let's see, sing that.
Yes, Jesus loves me.
So on the loves, go to the 4 chord for the loves, okay? When you get to love, you move to the 4 chord. Now let's start again from, yeah, Jesus loves me. Let's go.
Yes, Jesus
Now move.
loves me.
Loves, go to loves, loves me. Sing it, say, loves me.
Loves me.
Play and sing at the same time. Let's go. Loves me. Let's go. Play it.
Loves me.
Good. Back to C. Yeah. Sing it. Yes.
Yes.
But sing and play at the same time.
The whole thing.
No, play C, yeah, and sing that part. Yes, Jesus loves me. Okay.
Yes, Jesus loves me.
And the last me will be the 5. So move to G now. Me. And sing it. Now start again from the beginning. Let's go. And then we're done with that one, okay? Yes, Jesus loves. And then me will be the 4, okay? Let's go. Yes.
Yes, Jesus loves me.
Back to C. Yes.
Yes.
Watch your right hand. Watch your right hand. Move to C. C. Watch your right hand. Move to C. Good. Beautiful. Awesome job. Now play. Yes, Jesus loves me.
Yes, Jesus loves me.
G. Beautiful. Yes, yes, yes. Now let's try Jaden. You're watching, right? To do exactly what your brother did, okay?
Okay, Auntie.
I'm going to help you. You're going to do exactly. Let's go. So, yes, Jesus.
Yes, Jesus loves me. Yes, Jesus loves me.
Back to C.
Yes,
Same
Jesus
thing.
loves me.
And then, no, G. G.
Oh, G?
Now go to G. For the Bible tells me so. Continue. The Bible
The Bible tells
tells
me.
me. Yes. Why do you have 2 fingers on the C? I see 2 all the time. It should be 1, okay? Now, Nathan, try us when we're done, okay? Awesome job. Yeah, yeah.